It's a fucking tornado warning!
Northeastern Ohio, southeastern Portage County, and northeastern Ohio until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southeast of Ravenna, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicating...
The cover went off for the first time.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
I'm under a tornado warning! I'm under it!
Tree damage is likely.
Oh, fuck no!
This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Florida.
We're under a fucking tornado warning! No!
Edinburgh and Crane Beach.
Holy shit!
This is NOAA Weather Radio WWG56 originating from the National
Holy
Weather
fuck!
Service forecast.